So there I was in 32A, dropping into Shanghai. Wheels are down, things are getting real. Dear ladies and gentlemen, we are here in Shanghai. I'm taking the local train all the way into town. It's about 45 minutes and it only costs 7 yuan, and that's only about 1 USD for an hour's ride. Right when you walk out of the hotel, we're on the famous Ninjiang Street. Straight off the street, we walk into the bright lights. Have a nice day. Check this out. And we just go down the escalator. All the way down the escalator. The shopping plaza of food. The braised pork with sweet eggs. Dear ladies and gentlemen, room review number 2, Shanghai, China. Hotel Indigo on the Bund. Coming in to the room, we've got a beautiful, beautiful king-size bed with several pillows, a nice Shanghainese lamp, and amazing temple artwork right there on the backdrop. There's a little bit of a bench to put your shoes on. The working desk, very nice for editing. And then out the window from our bed and working desk, we're staring right at the Shanghai Tower on the Bund. Very nice. It's got an upgraded TV with a Bose sound system. There's a refrigerator with Coca-Cola beers and waters. And we'll get into the upgraded appliances. I just love these touches at the Hotel Indigos. It's very nice. We've got the Toto, Japanese toilet, nice. And my favorite is gonna be the shower. Check this thing out, light blue and white seashell tiles, but there's a massive window where in the morning time when we're taking a shower, all we're looking at is these skyscrapers in the Bund. Hotel Indigo Shanghai. Would you stay here? And I'm just gonna say that this view might be one of the best. Shanghai Tower. And you just got the cargo ships moving in and out. Down low is some of the midnight cruisers. I think I'll go ahead and get one of those midnight cruisers tomorrow night. And tomorrow we're going to be doing a hop-on hop-off bus tour and then maybe a bar crawl with a local French concessor, whatever that means. Look at this view. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Shanghai. Today, we're going to be trying to hop on to the hop-on, hop-off bus and check things out. I don't really know where it stops or what it does, but I do know it's 98 degrees today and it feels like 111. So, freaking hot here in Shanghai, but we're going to get out there and get it done for you, okay? For you. First, I gotta walk about 20 minutes to this bus stop, so give me a minute. We'll see some cool footage here as I head on out that way. Walking down here, it's freaking toasty, but there's a massive bull. Might be for the bull market that we're in. And then at nighttime, all on these streets, it is shoulder to shoulder with people taking selfies and trying to get a beautiful picture with this background lit up, because it lights up a big nice yellow and white, and it actually makes a pretty good backdrop for some professional photography, but we're almost there. We've made it onto the hop on hop off bus. It is sweaty out there, I'll tell you that right now. But let me turn this camera around for you. I don't know, I gotta take a look at the map, and we've got earbuds for English. So let's go. Here, ladies and gentlemen, look at that beast. I can't even get you and me and the camera all in one shot, so we're gonna have to get inside and get a little bit of a better footage. So that is called the Oriental Pearl TV Tower, and there's 3 balls. You can go up to the second one for 25 bucks, or the highest third ball for 50 US dollars, or 400 Chinese yuan. Up to you. Alrighty, so in order to buy a ticket, you have to have your passport with you, and I don't bring that with me everywhere I go. I guess I'm just not gonna go to the top of the crystal balls here in Shanghai. Welcome to the Shanghai Tower. All right, since we couldn't get into the Pearl, I'm here at the top of the observatory of the Shanghai Tower, and I'm gonna try to get a ticket to go to the top of this one. Moral of today's story is bring your passport if you wanna go to any of these attractions, because you can't get in, you can't buy tickets without your passport. Now we know. I will give you guys a quick view of these frickin' buildings though. These are skyscrapers, man. They just go forever. Well, there you have it, folks. We just did a full tour of the hop on hop off bus. There is another route, the red route you can do, which will take you into town to Nanjing and the shopping market and the People's Square. I might do that one a little bit later, but I'm gonna head back to the hotel for some lunch. If you don't wanna do the hop on hop off bus tour, there is a public ferry just down the road at the south end of the Bund. This ferry costs 2 yuan or whatever the Chinese yuan yang is. You just put the coins in there, there's no change, or you can buy it online. So take the ferry, take the bus, take a taxi, do whatever you gotta do, enjoy yourself while you're out here in Shanghai. And until next time, keep on traveling. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today's adventure is taking us to the Yew Garden. The Yew Garden was built in 1577, and it still has architecture of the Ming Dynasty. We are expecting torrential downpours in about 20 minutes. But I couldn't stay in the hotel any longer, so we're out on the beaten path and we're going to explore the Yew Garden. In order to get to the Yew Garden from Hotel Indigo, we get to walk through the ancient city park, which is quite nice and refreshing on these hot, humid summer days because you get a little bit of shade and breeze from the forest. I mean, I'm sweating out here. as we're getting down here to the Yew Garden, there's a lot of shops and foods and chaos. There's a lot more people out here than where I was at earlier. Right back here is going to be the entrance to the Yew Garden. But I'm going to walk around a little bit and see if I can find maybe a bite to eat and a drink before we kind of head into the garden. Garden. No, thank you. Alright, we've walked around quite a bit of space and I am getting kind of hungry, so we're going to need to select one of these folks to provide us with our nutrition. Well, that kind of wraps it up for our daytime tours. We had some Kung Pao chicken. Some lady was getting in a fight with some guy. I walked around the Yew Garden. It's very hot outside. What we're going to do is head back to the hotel, and then I'm going to come back at nighttime because this place is lit up and it is just a photographer's paradise. So we're going to head back, get some rest, and then come back. Gosh, let me give you a quick glimpse. Would you just look at that? And that's going to be lit up in like an orange yellowish tint with all these wooden structures. It looks really cool at nighttime. You'll see.